Hi, we're Reenacting Ancient Times Society. We're a reenactment group from the county here. We've got members adopted all over the county. We reenact particularly the 12th and 13th century times of the Crusades. That's one of our favourites that we're doing now. We've got friends with us from Leicester. They're being our Eastern warriors, and we'll be doing fighting with them in the arena whilst we're here. We do work occasionally with people like English Heritage and the National Trust. We do really big shows with them as well. Always on the lookout for new members, people who like history and people who like to just have a little go of what we're doing here with the combat, or just living the life for a weekend. Always interested in people sharing interesting knowledge and information with us. Right, okay, well with the Crusade period, and particularly this set here, the Knights Hospital, it's the guys who wear black and white, you can go back to their sort of first origins in the year 1080 when they were just looking after pilgrims in Jerusalem. They later became warriors on the orders of the Pope during the 12th century, during the 1100 times. They fought with King Richard in the 1180s and 90s to try and take Jerusalem back. And they lasted many centuries. The only time that they stopped being around in this country is when Henry VIII did away with all the monasteries and the churches. It's been nice, particularly as it's, if you like, it's almost like a sort of home ground because we're in the county doing the show, and that way we get to share lots of things with people actually in the county and ask people, if there's anything there you'd like to ask or talk about, or maybe even join us. There's an opportunity.
The charity was set up by Stacey Johnson, my daughter, when she was 14. She was diagnosed with a brain tumour, had to have chemotherapy and radiotherapy, and she had so many different treats from different other charities like the Bush Foundation, Skylark Foundation. She had a helicopter ride over London, she met loads of famous people, and she just wanted to do the same for other young children. So she set up Kisses for Kids, and she sends families that have got terminally ill children on day trips to Legoland, Thorpe Park, or anywhere they want to go really. We've done a lot of work in hospitals like sensory rooms, teenage summer houses, and we do a lot of other shows. We go as far as Bishop's Stortford in Hertfordshire, Harlow, Hoddesdon, all over the place. We do a lot of carnivals as well, where we have a float. We've really enjoyed the show, shame about the rain, but you can't help that. But yeah, we've had a really good weekend, really done well, really have. And everybody's really helped us as well, kept promoting us, so that's good.
Generosity is abounding, isn't it, here at Wimbledon? Definitely. We always do well here, we love coming in. Fantastic. And if anyone wants to find out more about not only go karts, the hands in the air, say water on. I.e. the firefighters are happy, ready for the fires are ready to go. As you can see, it does produce a lot of smoke.